Did you know that you're probably being ripped off by your car insurance company and don't even know? Find out how you can outsmart your insurance company and slash your rates by 30, 40, or even more than 50%. So how do you do it? Simple. We have found that this current month, competition for your business is very strong in Georgia. This means insurance companies are offering very big discounts and excellent coverage to many Georgia drivers who qualify. Your current auto insurer wishes you never knew about this site I'm about to share, because if you did, it would mean more money in your pocket and less in theirs. If you have a policy that you have not checked in the past 30 days, you want to cut your rates by as much as 50%, just go to GeorgiaCheapCarInsurance.com/discount. Here, simply enter your zip code, and if your zip qualifies, you'll be instantly matched with the hidden gem insurance companies out of the hundreds out there offering you extremely cheap rates with great coverage. Next, simply compare their quotes and may the best one win. It's fast, it's easy, and best of all, it's free. So there's no reason to put off potential saving. Go to GeorgiaCheapCarInsurance.com/discount. You'll be amazed to see how much you can save.